Most homeowners have never seen what goes on inside their ductwork. Once you do, you'll understand why duct cleaning matters. Your ducts carry every breath of air your family takes indoors. If they're dirty, your air is dirty, period. Here's exactly what a professional duct cleaning involves. Step 1. Full system inspection. Technicians identify every access point and assess buildup level. Step 2. System isolation. The HVAC is sealed so debris doesn't spread into your living space. Step 3. Negative pressure. Industrial equipment pulls contaminants out from deep inside the ductwork. Step 4. Agitation. Rotary brushes and air whips scrub every duct surface clean. Step 5. Component cleaning. Registers, grills, blower motors, all cleaned and reinstalled. Step 6. Final check. Airflow is confirmed and all access points are sealed. That's why it takes 2 to 4 hours, and why anything less should raise a red flag. The Service Pros brings the right equipment and the right process to every home. Get your free estimate at theservicepros.com.